Namaskar. Throughout a woman's life, her body goes through many natural changes. Breast size keeps changing from puberty and pregnancy to breastfeeding. Hormonal shifts, genetic medications, and changes in the body weight. These changes are normal. But for some women, larger breasts may lead to physical discomfort such as back and neck pain, shoulder strain, poor posture, and restricted movements. So, today I am going to tell you about some natural and holistic ways to reduce discomfort. First, understand that one of the most effective things you can do is to practice yoga. Start by learning Surya Namaskar or the sun salutation. This is not just a sequence of posture, but a complete cardiovascular workout. When practiced regularly, it helps burn your body fat, tones your chest muscles, improves circulation, and strengthens your spine. There are also other yoga asanas that are good for fat reduction and muscle strengthening in the chest and upper body. Practice Yogendra Bhujangasana. This gentle back bending posture strengthens the chest and upper back muscle while improving posture and reducing stiffness in the chest area. Practice Yogendra Ushtrasana. This is a deep chest opening pose that stretches the front of the body, reduces tightness caused by heaviness in the chest, and improves spinal flexibility. Practice Yogendra Dhanurvakrasana. Dhanurasana is a back bending posture. It tones the chest and abdominal muscles and improves circulation, helping in fat reduction and a better muscle balance. Practice Yogendra Gaumukhasana. This posture stretches the shoulder and chest, improves mobility of the upper body, and reduces tension around neck and shoulder. Practice Yogendra Yashtikasana. This relaxing stretch helps lengthen the body, improves breathing capacity, and gently opens the chest while calming the nervous system. Practice Yogendra Virabhadrasana. This strong standing posture builds strength in the shoulders, arms, and upper back while improving posture and stability, which helps support the chest more efficiently. Practice Yogendra Setubandhasana. This supported back bend opens the chest, strengthens the back and gluteal muscles, improves spinal alignment, and helps release pressure on neck and shoulder. You should also include wall push-ups in your daily routine. To practice wall push-ups, stand facing the wall at arm's length. Place your palms flat on the wall at shoulder height and shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight from head to heel. Bend your elbows to gently bring your chest closer to the wall. Then push back to the starting position. Practice this for a few days, and once you are able to do 10 continuous repetitions through ease, you can gradually move on to floor push-up. For floor push-up, come down onto the floor with your palms placed under your shoulder and your body aligned in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body by bending the elbows, keeping them close to your sides, and then push back up while engaging your chest, shoulders, and arms. These exercises strengthen the chest, shoulders, arms, and upper back, providing a better muscular support to the breast area and reducing strain on the neck and shoulder. Along with these postures, breathing practices are equally important. Bhastrika Pranayama, which involves strong and rhythmic breathing, activates your chest muscles and improves oxygen flow. After completing your yoga practice, it is beneficial to practice diaphragmatic breathing, such as Yogendra Pranayama number 4, followed by Shavasana. This calms your nervous system, balances your hormones, and reduces stress. Besides yoga, you should also do other physical activities. Regular cardio exercises like brisk walking, Swimming, cycling, or dancing helps reduce overall body fat. You must strengthen your shoulders and back so that you get a better support for your chest. This will make you feel more comfortable. I have observed that many women don't pay attention to their posture. Poor posture increases the appearance of heaviness in your chest and place more strain on your neck and shoulder. Simple habits such as standing upright, strengthening the back and core muscles, and being mindful of the body alignment can reduce such discomfort. It will also improve your confidence. Lifestyle and diet choices are also important. You see, since breast tissue contains fat, maintaining a healthy body weight can naturally affect the breast size. So, reduce portion size, choose low fat and whole grains, eat plenty of fresh and seasonal fruits and vegetables, and monitor your dairy intake according to personal health needs. By doing all of this, you will find a balanced fat distribution in your body. Any excess fat stored in your body is usually due to your dietary habits. You can also do other simple supportive techniques that can give you relief. For example, gently massage your breast with ice cube when feeling tired or sore to reduce heaviness. Wear a well-fitted supportive bra to reduce back and neck strain and maintain comfort throughout the day. Clothing choices also make a difference and increase your confidence. Wear well-fitting garments with comfortable cuts to feel less self-conscious. But remember, the intention should always be comfort and not concealment. It is also interesting to remember that beauty standards differ across culture. In fact, ancient Indian art and architecture shows us that fullness was once celebrated. In temple sculpture, women have full bosoms as symbols of beauty, fertility, strength, and abundance. In some society, larger breasts are admired, while in other, smaller breasts are considered ideal. This reminds us that beauty is subjective and culture sensitive. It is not universal. So it's important not to surrender to unrealistic expectations of beauty imposed by society. As women, we must remember that beauty is intrinsic. We should respect our body, nurture them well, and live with comfort, confidence, and contentment. Namaskar.